Hey guys, I'm Garrett Koshak, Global Product Manager for Manitou Pontoon Boats, and today I'm excited to give you an inside look at the 2021 Manitou Aurora LE. This pontoon features the high-quality design and performance that Manitou is known for at a highly competitive entry-level price point. It can also be equipped with our exclusive Manitou VToon technology, which features a larger center tune positioned lower than the outer tunes to deliver superior handling, a smoother ride, and more control. Let's take a closer look at the new features and benefits of the Aurora LE. This particular model is well equipped with the Mercury 115 Pro XS. And for those looking for a bit of extra horsepower, the VP hull has been redesigned to accommodate up to 200 horsepower, providing you with more power for less money than ever before. Moving inside the Aurora LE, the most newsworthy upgrade is the completely redesigned furniture. The new furniture features a high-quality vinyl with upgraded foam beneath. This means more comfort for you, your family, and your friends when spending the day out on the water. And that's just for starters. We've refreshed everything from the helm to the steering wheel. We even quadrupled the number of cup holders, because we know that's one place where more is definitely better. We've also added a high-quality Fusion stereo, providing an enhanced digital user experience so you can extend your party from the boat to the sandbar. The new limited package includes upgraded features such as silver Luna woven flooring, a dinette table, interior LED lighting, LED navigation lights, mid-back chair for extra support, upgraded sportier steering wheel, and two-tone graphics. This bundle combines our most popular features into an easy-to-order package. In addition to all of these great new features on the Aurora LE, we have simplified the color options and variations, focusing on our most popular floor plans and creating new bundled options. Now, rather than having to wade through a long list of individual options that just keep adding to the complexity of buying a boat, we've combined the most functional and attractive features into a high-value, consumer-centric, competitively priced package. The Aurora LE is available in lengths from 18 to 25 feet with standard, angler, and rear-facing floor plans, as well as a variety of hull designs and engines to choose from. It also comes with additional features like a 7-inch Garmin digital display, stainless steel ladder, and a ski tow bar on our VToon models. Now you can get the boat you want easier and for less, making a Manitou Aurora LE purchase a win for this season and beyond.